Okay, this is the AC coil. This panel right here is designed to be removed, so contractor, serviceman can get in here if need be, clean the AC coils and check them out. Pretty simple. And this is below. Let's see if it... Through here is where the small little drain notch would run from the far back side up to the front, or where the camera is located. There's nothing really deep channel or anything like that. Right here there's a... and here's the channels for these two coils. Little drain pan, just a little U channel that slopes down. You see support underneath right there. There's a U channel underneath it. It drains out to this side. With this AC coil tilted away from this side, water will stay in there and drip out the other side. There's also one back behind this piece of insulation for this coil here. I'm just seeing that the A coil is sitting directly down on top of the furnace. Those are the burners inside. Gasket cover. I didn't remove that tape because I didn't want to mess up with this, and this.